If your throat hurts after singing, your voice cracks, or high notes feel like a battle, you might be forcing your voice without even realizing it. Here are 5 clear signs every singer should know. Singing should feel free, expressive, and effortless. When your voice feels restricted, tense, or unstable, it's often a sign that you're forcing it rather than letting it work naturally. Forcing your voice can lead to vocal fatigue, strain, and even long-term damage if not corrected. Here are 5 key signs to watch out for. Number 1. Throat tightness. Feeling a constriction or pressure in your throat while singing usually indicates that your vocal muscles are over-engaged. A relaxed throat should allow sound to flow easily without discomfort. Remedy to this issue: focus on breath support from your abdominal muscles and diaphragm rather than pushing the sound through your throat. Number 2. Voice cracks. Sudden breaks, flips, or cracks in your voice often happen when your vocal folds aren't coordinating properly. Forcing your voice can make these cracks more frequent, especially on higher or lower notes. Remedy to this issue: practice smooth vocal slides and gentle scales to encourage coordination and flexibility. Number 3. Running out of breath quickly. If you feel out of breath mid-phrase, it could be because you're pushing too much air through the vocal folds. Forcing your voice often uses up your breath inefficiently. Remedy to this issue: work on breath control exercises and learn to sustain notes without straining your lungs. Number 4. Jaw tension. Clenching or tightness in your jaw is a common sign of forced singing. When the jaw is tense, it restricts resonance and vocal freedom, making your sound feel harsh or pinched. Remedy to this issue: incorporate jaw relaxation exercises and gentle mouth stretches before singing. Number 5. Strained high notes. Struggling to hit high notes with power often means you are pushing instead of letting the voice ascend naturally. Forced high notes can lead to fatigue or even injury over time. Remedy to this issue: approach high notes with head voice or mix techniques, focusing on placement and airflow rather than volume. Remember, a healthy, strong voice is built on coordination, breath support, and resonance, not force. Learning to sing without tension ensures longevity, flexibility, and freedom in your singing. Now, which of these signs do you notice most often in your own singing, and how do you usually respond to it? Let me know in the comments. Until next time, one mic and happy singing.